because the wind is already at it. Out of the northwest, we did have a quiet weekend, but not the case this morning. 21 already in Carroll. These aren't the gusts. This is the sustained wind right now. Not too much by way of jiggle on the camera this morning, but we do have 15-mile-an-hour winds. This temperature, this is kind of where we're going to stay all day long, within 3-4 degrees of that. So don't plan on temperatures to go much of anywhere. We do have a cold front working its way through the state right now. Obviously, the western counties have already seen it come through. Eastern counties are still waiting on it into those 40s, but it feels more like the 20s, so that's what you need to bundle up for as you head out the door. Those winds are with us all day long. We are going to be out of the northwest, gusting at parts of the state higher than this, so higher around 30 to 35 miles per hour, but just plan on it until this evening. It does start to wind down and it will be quiet through the overnight. But here's a look at that cold front. It is working its way through and it is putting down some precip. I was looking at sensors, did find some sensors in Fort Dodge. I couldn't really make it out on the DOT cams, but some snow did fall in that area as it continues to move off to the east. Ground temperatures are warm enough that anything that does land is melting, so that is good, not impactful on the commute roadways. Taking a look at how this plays out, clouds this morning, but clearing into the afternoon. Notice those temperatures, they're not really doing anything, but we do have that wind out of the northwest all day long. So here is, as we go into the afternoon, that's the clearing from west to east that we see. Clear overnight tonight, no blanket. Our temperatures really drop off as we get into Tuesday. We start with the sunshine and we end with the clouds. The clouds will kind of stick around after that, so plan on the sunshine and join it while we have it. As we fast forward into Wednesday, we do have the clouds locked over the state of Iowa. Down to the south, this has been pretty consistent since last week along that border. That's where we have a chance for some rain, even a mix on Wednesday, but it does move off to the east, and then it does look dry for Thanksgiving Day. Just some partly cloudy skies, and we will have a northwest wind that will stick with us through the day. So we'll be watching that. It does look like we're going to have some cold turkey, 33 degrees for that high with those northwest winds at 10 to 15. So it's going to feel colder than that. If you are outside and you are frying the turkey, it's going to be a cold one to do that. 39 degrees. We're going to have those steady temperatures, clearing skies as we go through the rest of the day. We just got to get rid of some of these clouds this morning and that mix. 21 tonight, mostly clear, but the wind does quiet down. 10-day forecast thankfully has Thursday dry. Friday looks dry for travel on home. Saturday we have some